to open the safe for the first time. Remove the key cover, which is available on the left side of the panel. Insert the emergency key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise and open the door. Install 4 batteries of 1.5 volt AA into the battery compartment. How to change the user password? Safe must be in the open position. Press the reset button located at the back side of the door. Enter a 4 to 8 digit new user password. Then press hash and the new user password has been changed successfully. How to change the master password? Safe must be in the open position. Press 0 twice. Press the reset button located backside of the door. Enter a 4 to 8 digit new master password. Then press hash and the new master password has been changed successfully. How to register new fingerprint? The safe must be in the open position. Press the reset button located backside of the door. Input your finger on the fingerprint sensor 3 times. You will hear a long beep sound, which indicates that the first fingerprint registration is successful. In this way, we can register up to 30 fingerprints. Emergency opening. There are 2 options for opening the door in an emergency. Use the emergency key to open the door. Use the external battery backup. How to close the safe? Close the door. Press the hash button to close the safe. The safe is now closed successfully. How to open the safe? Enter your 4 to 8 digits password or fingerprint. The door will open automatically. Dual opening mode. Password and fingerprint. Set dual mode option. Press the number 1 and then press the reset button. When you hear a long sound of beep, it indicates that the dual mode door opening state is successfully entered. To switch to a single mode, you will have to repeat the same process. Reset to factory settings. Press the reset button for 5 seconds and you will hear a buzzer. The fingerprint is cleared successfully and the user password is restored to factory settings. The master password remains unchanged. Sound mute function. In the standby state, press 00 star to start the silence mode and mute any operation. Press 6 star to restore normal sound. Vibration alarm function. In the standby state, press the star key and the buzzer will emit a long sound to start the vibration alarm function. When the box is shaken or moved, the horn and buzzer will alarm at the same time, accompanied by a blue light flashing for 20 seconds. Enter the correct fingerprint or password to deactivate the alarm. Alarm and disalarm. Entering the fingerprint incorrectly 5 times and the password incorrectly 3 times will trigger the error code alarm for 20 seconds. Please enter the correct fingerprint or password to release the alarm. Under voltage, low battery alarm function. When the voltage is lower than 4.8 volt plus 0.2 volt, the red light is on, reminding the user to replace the battery as soon as possible. When the voltage is lower than 4.3 volt, shield the fingerprint head. Prohibit using the fingerprint head, and the red light flashes if you put in the fingerprint. The password can also open the door. App setting. Search Ozone Life in the App Store or Play Store to download it. Register by email, mobile phone number, then log in. Find the Ozone Life app, the Smart Safe, and follow the instruction to finish adding the safe. Net connecting. Entering Wi-Fi. Setting menu. Connect the safe with Wi-Fi. Touch the key area with your finger to wake up the system. Enter 0, 1 and press the setting key. When you hear a drip sound every second, the blue light blinks, indicating that you have entered the distribution network state. Please follow the distribution network instructions on the mobile phone terminal. How to open the safe by app. If you opening the safe directly from the app, for this a request has to be generated, which can be generated from 0, then hash. Open the Ozone Life app and click Smart Safe. Press the lock icon and press to confirm. The safe opens automatically. You can verify the activity of safe opening records via Ozone Life app, fingerprint and passwords through the records section. Additionally, check the notification records for incorrect password attempts and tampering alerts. Is the safe secure when you are not at home? Yes, our auto alarm function addresses this concern. If the safe is strongly shaken or crashed, a loud alarm will sound, and the app will receive an alarm notification. Using the correct fingerprint or password to open the safe will stop the alarm noise. After opening the safe, you will receive an "Open Door" message from the app. If the password is entered incorrectly multiple times or the wrong fingerprint is used, you will receive a reminder message from the app. How to unlock remotely. Available only on request. Press 0 then hash. Note that different panel has different inductance. Ask for the remote open door will receive a notification in Ozone Life app. White and yellow characters will appear. Click remote open lock. Safe will open easily